welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 147. Turning to the accounts for the year now under review, I think you will agree with me that we have done exceedingly well. Full stop. On the credit side of the trading account, you will find that the business done shows an increase of £20,000. Full stop. On the other side, we show an increase of working expenses, but the increase is not heavy, and furnishes us with an example of the fact that the better the business we do, the lower is the ratio of expenses. Full stop. On the assets side of the balance sheet, the property account item is the same as before, while the cash shows an increase of £1,200. Full stop. On the liabilities side of the balance sheet, the cost of renovation has been charged to the reserve account, and I think you will quite agree with this. Full stop. Our dividends for the past 5 years have averaged 10% per annum. Full stop. Early in the coming year, there will be a special meeting to discuss the matter of further developments, and I take the liberty of urging all to be present. Full stop. In the meantime, I trust we shall continue to prosper so that we may have a substantial increase in our profits. Full stop.